Yeah. Good evening, children. Good evening, online students. Swati, Aragamai, and Aniruddhan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Yeah,
ma'am.
good evening. Yeah, so this is a test question. Please try this one. Complete these identities for me. A plus B the whole square plus A minus B the whole square is equal to complete the identity. A plus B the whole square plus A minus B the whole square is equal to, yes, very good. 2 into A square plus B square. 2 of A square plus B square. A plus B the whole square plus A minus B the whole square is equal to 2 of A square plus B square. Now what is A plus B the whole square minus A minus B the whole square equal to 4AB, 4AB, 4AB. Okay. All right. Now in this question, we are given tan theta. One trigonometric ratio is given to you. Tan theta is equal to 2mn by m square minus n square. With the help of this, we need to find the other t ratios of theta. That is, we'll have to find sine theta, cos theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, and cot theta. Since tan theta is given to us, cot theta we can get by taking the reciprocal of tan. So of the 6 ratios, 2 we know now. Tan is given. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. So we have the remaining 4 we have to find. To find the remaining 4, we'll only find sine and cos. The reciprocal of sine will give us cosecant. The reciprocal of cos will give us secant. So we just have to find sine and cos. And with the reciprocals, we'll find cosecant and secant. Please do. You'll have to put this information in a right triangle. Or if you take this one as theta, or if you take this as theta. What is BC square? BC is 2mn. What is BC square? Yeah, yeah. So what is that? Very good. Yeah, 4m square n square. Now don't expand this. Don't expand this. Now this is of the form. See, write the identity here. What is the identity? A plus B. Now there's a minus here, no? There's a minus here. So see here, A plus B the whole square. A plus B the whole square minus, there's a 4 also. There's a 4 also. So write that identity which has that 4AB because you can see the 4 here, no? So write that identity. Okay, so A plus B the whole square minus A minus B the whole square is equal to 4AB. Now, how does it look like here for you? This looks like A minus B the whole square plus 4AB, right? This one looks like A minus B whole square plus 4AB. So work that from here. What is A plus B the whole square is equal to transpose A minus B the whole square plus 4AB. Just transpose, children. Transpose. Minus of A minus B the whole square on the other side will be plus. This minus will become plus on the other side, right? So what is A plus B the whole square? A minus B the whole square plus 4AB. And that's what we have here. No, see here, this is A minus B the whole square plus 4AB. What is A? M square. What is B? N square. Watch carefully. What is A? M square. What is B? N square. A minus B the whole square plus 4AB. A is M square, B is N square. See that? What is A? M square. And what's B? N square. See here. A minus B whole square. M square minus N square whole square. Plus 4AB. Plus 4AB is 4M square N square. Yes or no? So what we have here looks like A minus B the whole square plus 4AB. So what is A minus B the whole square plus 4AB? It's A plus B the whole square. It's A plus B the whole square. I'll not erase it. So I'll write it here. So AC square is equal to A, this is A plus B the whole square. Yes or no? So what is AC? AC is equal to M square plus N square. Like A square is equal to 3 square. So A is equal to 3. It's a ratio. So we take only the positive value. We don't take the negative value. Is that fine? Yeah. Now find sine theta and cos theta. Find sine theta. So AC is M square plus N square. Disconnected, Hasif. ஒரு கிளாஸ் மிஸ் பண்ணனால அப்படியே போடியே பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கீங்க. What happened? I'll help you. You want me to do this again? I'm not clear. This identity? Yeah. If you ask me some question, you know, or some questions, I can help you better. A வந்து எப்படி M ஸ்கொயரே இருக்கு, எப்படி A M ஸ்கொயரா இருக்க முடியும்னு கேக்குறீங்களா? எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாதான்னு கேக்குறீங்களா? எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணலாம். You'll take a little longer time. That's all. Expand panel, we can do it. No, is that your doubt? I can do that for you. Yes. After that, you want me to, from there you want me to do. Okay. You know tan theta is opposite by adjacent? Okay. So what is this? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That's Pythagoras theorem, right? Yeah. So what is AB? Yeah, tell me, what's AB? Loud. M square minus N square. The whole square. AB square plus. What's BC? 2mn. The whole square. So what will be 2 square is 4, M square, N square, correct? Now A is m square and B is n square. Okay. Now look at this one. M square minus n square. That means A minus B whole square plus 4AB. A minus B the whole square plus 4AB by identity is A plus B the whole square. So what is A? A is this one and plus this is B whole square. A plus B whole square. This is A plus B whole square. And that is AC square. So AC will be equal to m square plus n square. Okay. Now we need to find sine theta. What is sine theta? Opposite by hypotenuse, which is the opposite side BC by the hypotenuse AC. So BC is 2mn by the hypotenuse, which is m square plus n square. And then its reciprocal will be cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to AC by BC, which is equal to m square plus n square over 2mn. Then find cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent AB by hypotenuse AC. So that is m square minus n square by m square plus n square. So its reciprocal secant theta will be AC by AB, which is m square plus n square by m square minus n square. One ratio will be given. It's when tan theta is given, so cot theta we can get. So 6 la 2 தெரியும் மிச்சம் 4 கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அந்த 4லயும் 2 கண்டுபிடிச்சா போறோம். அதை வச்சு அதோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். That's all. Yeah, finish it. After trigonometry, you want polynomials first or real numbers first? How many of you want polynomials? Raise your hand. Okay, fine. Oh, you want real numbers? Because you finished polynomials for test in school, huh? So using tan theta, you will fill two sides in the triangle. Opposite side and adjacent side you will fill. Then using Pythagoras theorem, you will find the hypotenuse. Now you know all the three sides. And to find the hypotenuse, we use this identity, very important identity. Now you know all the three sides. Find sine theta, its reciprocal is cosecant. Find cos theta, its reciprocal is secant. Finished. It's that easy. Done, all of you? Online children, finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Yeah. So if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 4, seeing how. Okay, if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 4, find cos theta. Now, you know, secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Okay, so this is like a square minus b square. So secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. What do you understand by this? The product of secant theta plus tan theta and secant theta minus tan theta is always 1. So that means they are reciprocals of one another. Then only the product will be 1. When will the product of two things? When can the product of two things be 1? If they're the reciprocals of each other. If they're the reciprocals of each other. 5/4 into 4/5 is 1. So remember that secant theta plus tan theta, the value of secant theta plus tan theta and the value of secant theta minus tan theta are reciprocals of one another, because you can see the product is 1. Now you'll also see that after substituting. Now what is secant theta plus tan theta? 4. So what should be secant theta minus tan theta? 1/4. 1/4. It has to be 1/4. But we'll just substitute. So secant theta plus tan theta is 4 into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. I'm just substituting. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1/4. Is 1/4. Same thing for cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. This is also 1. So cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is 1. The product of cosecant theta plus cosecant theta plus cot theta and cosecant theta minus cot theta is 1. So if this value, supposing is 3/7, then this value will be 7/3. Then only the product can be 1, no? Then only the product is 1. So remember this. Now, we know that secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 4. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1/4. Now these are like two equations. Okay, so we've written them one below the other, and we're going to solve these two equations to find the value of secant theta. Not, okay, see the two unknowns here are secant theta and tan theta. Now, do you want to find like x and y? Okay, the unknowns are x and y. Do you want to find x or you want to find y or you want to find both? We want to find secant theta. Why? Because we have to find cos theta. The question is to find cos theta. To find cos theta, do you want secant or tan? Secant. Because if you find secant, reciprocal is cos. So we have two equations. We were given one equation. We generated the other equation. Now we are going to write them one below the other and solve for secant theta. So now you can see plus tan theta minus tan theta gets cancelled. So secant theta plus secant theta is 2 secant theta is equal to 4 plus 1. We are adding the two equations. We're adding, right? We write the equations one below the other and we're adding the two equations. Plus tan theta minus tan theta is 0. So cancel. Then secant theta plus secant theta, 2 secant theta is equal to 4 plus 1/4. Is 4 plus 1/4. Is after taking the LCM, it will be 17/4. Come on, come, sir. Is 17/4. Correct? Correct? Okay. Now secant theta is equal to 17 by, the 2 will come for division, no? Into 4. So secant theta is equal to 17/8. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 8/17 because they're reciprocal. I'll share the recording, Bhavisha. You can go through the first part which you've missed. That's all. All right. So here you can also see the steps. Yeah, so here you can also see the steps. So what we just discussed, secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Can you see that? No, I'll be sharing the images. You have last class also, we only discussed, you haven't completed the notes. So I'll share all the images. So can you see this? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is 1. Substitute and then you get secant theta minus tan theta is 1/4. Write the equations one below the other. And then this one gets cancelled. This gets cancelled. Okay, so 2 secant theta is this one. Understand? Than me writing, no? If I show the answer slide, we can do it a little faster. And so that we can start polynomials at the earliest. Okay. So here we have tan theta plus cot theta is 2. We need to find tan square theta plus cot square theta, tan theta to the power 7 plus cot theta to the power 7, and tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. All right. So what you do, you write this cot theta. Right, cot theta is 1 by tan theta and take the LCM. Right, this is given, no? Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 is given. Write that. Right, cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Take the common denominator. Tan theta is a common denominator, right? So you'll get tan square theta plus 1 is equal to 2. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. So you get tan square theta minus 2 tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is in the form a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is 0. So a minus b is 0. So tan theta is equal to 1. What is 1? Tan 45. So on comparing both the sides, theta is 45. So we found theta. Once you find theta, it's easy. Now you can just put 45 here. You know tan 45 is, what's tan 45? 1. And cot 45 is also 1. So just substitute and find the value. Go through this one. You just have to write this one as 1 by tan theta. Then take the common denominator, cross multiply, bring everything to one side is equal to 0. Then all those three terms will, be of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. And yeah, so go through till here. And also, sorry, no, finish it. No, don't go beyond this. Till here you see. So you can guess this also because what's given tan theta. So tan of an angle plus cot of the same angle is 2. So it has to be 45 only, no? Because what is tan 45? 1. What is cot 45? 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. It satisfies the equation. 45 degrees satisfies the equation. So you can even guess it. Supposing it's MCQ, you don't have to show all these steps. Supposing it's MCQ, given this, they ask you to find the value of this one. Okay, so you don't have to work all these steps. You can just guess. If tan theta plus cot theta is 2, then theta is 45 degrees. Because what is tan 45? 1. Theta is 45 degrees. Same angle. You cannot put a different angle here. Theta means if it's 45 in one, it's 45 in the other also because it's theta. Same angle it is. So 1 plus 1, 2. So what's the value of theta? 45 degrees. And that's what we have found by working like this. At 45 degrees only we found by working like this. One means tan 45. So on comparing both the sides, theta is 45 degrees. So now evaluate tan square theta plus cot square theta. So where there is theta, put 45 degrees and write the value from the table. Tan 45, 1, cot 45, 1, square because it is. We know that supposing tan cubed 45 degrees is nothing but tan 45 degrees. The value of tan 45 degrees, the whole cubed. Tan cubed 45 degrees is nothing but the value of tan 45 degrees, the whole cube. Yeah, so tan square 45 means write the value of tan 45, 1, and put the square. So everywhere it will be 1 plus 1, 2. Everywhere the answer will be 2. Because 1 raised to any power is 1 only, no? 1 raised to any power is 1 only. So here, though it is power 7, 1 to the power 7, 1 to the power 7, it's still 1 only. So 1 plus 1, 2. So here also 1 plus 1, 2. Put 45 here and 45 here. Tan 45 is 1. 1. 1 by 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Tell me. Tan theta, quickly tell me tan theta plus 1 by tan theta is equal to 2. Then fast, fast. What's the common denominator? Tan theta. Tan 1 is equal to 2. Then tan square theta minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 or minus 1? Cross multiply பண்ணுங்க என்ன அவசரம் is equal to 2 tan theta is equal to 2 tan theta. Now bring this to the left hand side. So tan square theta minus 2 tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So now this is that a square term. Tan theta the whole square. This is the a square term. This is the b square term. And this is the minus 2 into a into b. 2 tan theta, 2 tan theta. So it's of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is a minus b, the whole square is 0. So that means tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Now take the minus 1 to the other side. Tan theta is equal to 1. But when is it 1 in the tan table? Tan 45. Tan 45. On comparing both the sides, theta is 45 degrees. Now, yeah. Now it's given that cos a plus cos square a is 1, no? Is it given? Is it given that cos a plus cos square a is 1? Okay. So cos a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. What is 1 minus cos square a? Sin square a. Because sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. So cos a is equal to sin square a. So have this result. Now sin square a plus sin square a the whole square. This is what we have to evaluate, no? Because power 4, sin square a is power 2. Okay. But power 4 we don't want. We don't have identities with power 4, no? So we are writing the sin square a the whole square. This is given. From this we found something, cos a sin square a. Have that result. Now we'll have to evaluate, meaning find the value of this one. We have to find the value of this one. Sin square a plus sin a to the power 4. So sin square a plus sin square a the whole square. Now, what is sin square a? Don't see in the sin square a, the sin square a is cos a, no? Don't put cos a here. Sin square a, we are comfortable. We are happy with sin square a because the power is 2. Don't disturb that. You disturb what you don't want. This is good only. Sin square a is good. Plus this one only you want to change. So what is sin square a? Cos a. So write cos, instead of this write cos a. Whole square, no? So it will become cos square a. So sin square a plus cos square a is 1. For this one you don't write cos a. Sin square a is equal to cos a, no? Don't write cos a for this. Sin square a is good. Have it as it is. This one is only to the power 4. We don't want this. So here, instead of sine square A, what did we do? We know that sine square A, this sine square A is cos A. This is cos A, but we are not replacing sine square A. We want to go with this plus this one, this sine square A, we replace with cos A. Cos A. But there's a square here, no? So it become cos square A. Correct? And sine square A plus cos square A is 1. Same thing here. 1 minus cos square A sine square A. Have this result. Same thing. Okay. Yeah, go through this and we'll do it like you will tell me and I'll work it. Go through. Done, children? Done? Yeah. Fast. This is given. And we need to find the value of something. So mostly we should find the value of theta. Whenever such information is given, or we need to find the value of theta. Mostly. We'll find the value of theta and maybe we'll just put the value of theta there, secant theta. Supposing you find theta is 30 degrees. So it'll be secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 30 degrees, the whole square minus sine square 30 degrees. You understand? Yeah. Yes. Oh, you're changing tan square theta to secant square theta minus 1. Okay. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Then don't change this. The intention is we have two unknowns. In one equation, we have two different things. Tan theta we have and secant theta we have. So we are trying to bring one variable kind of. In one equation, if you have two unknowns, you cannot find both. In one equation, if you have only one unknown, if you have only one unknown x or y, you can solve and find the value of that. But in one equation, if you have two unknowns x and y, you cannot find anything. That's the intention. We have tan theta and secant theta, but only one equation. So what we do, we write tan square theta as secant square theta minus 1. Now what will happen? You will have only secant square theta. So you can work and find the value of secant square theta and hence secant theta and hence theta. Okay. Plus. Yeah, next. Okay, minus 23. Okay, you want to bring it here. Okay. Should we take it this side? We'll take the numbers to the other side only, no? We'll have the numbers on the other side. So 15 secant square theta and this one will be 19 is equal to 23 plus 15. Okay, minus 15 on the other side plus 15. So 19 secant square theta is equal to 38. So secant square theta is equal to 38 by 19. So secant square theta is equal to 2. So secant theta is equal to. So what is the secant square theta? Secant theta, the whole square is equal to 2. Secant square theta means secant theta, the whole square is equal to 2. So secant theta is equal to square root of 2. So secant theta means like reciprocal of cos. When is it 1 by root 2? In the cos table, when is it 1 by root 2? Cos of what is 1 by root 2? 45 degrees. Okay, so secant theta is equal to secant 45 degrees. Because cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. So secant 45 degrees will be reciprocal, root 2 by 1, root 2. So on comparing both the sides, theta is equal to 45 degrees. So now what should we find? Secant 45. Now we know, no? Instead of theta, use 45 and okay. Okay, every time I do it in a different way, that's the problem. So you can follow this one. I found theta here. I found theta here. So you can just put, I'll share this slide with you, that's all. We found theta here, right? So now what should you find? Secant 45 degrees plus cosecant 45 degrees, the whole square, minus sine 45 degrees, the whole square. You understand this also, right? That's all. The equation has two unknowns, secant square theta and tan square theta. So we write tan square theta as secant square theta minus 1. Why? Now the whole equation has only one unknown, that is secant square theta. So we'll have secant square theta on one side, numbers on the other side. So you'll find secant square theta is equal to something. So secant theta is equal to, what did you get, root 2. Now when is it root 2? Secant 45. So on comparing both the sides, we found theta. That's what I told you when I started. See, every time, one question can be worked in more than one method. So now there is no question of asking like why you have done something else here. Yeah, you can do it like this also, not that you should not do. This is also fine. You do it like this because we just worked it like this. All right, so we found theta. And instead of theta in the question, use 45 degrees and evaluate. All right. Okay. Sleepy? You're tired? Why? That's what you look. Your eyes are going kind of red. You want to go home? Okay, so these are standard questions, If asked, it will be like this itself without any changes. So now look at the LHS and RHS. See, from different questions, you learn different ideas. So once you practice them, you need to spend time with the answers. Once you practice, it will become very easy. Now we're just understanding, we're just learning how to approach the, understand the question and work the answer. But after some 3-4 days, you'll forget it. You cannot work it like with the same ease you worked it now. You can't. You will struggle, you will make mistakes. So it is important that you visit the sums, practice them once. And again, after some 10-15 days, visit them again. Practice them. See, just scribble it fast. You don't have to work neatly. Just do a quick revision. Only when you do that, this will, after 2 revisions, become easy for you. Very easy it will become for you. Then before the exam, you can just flip the pages and just, tell yourself that, yeah, I know this, I know this, I know this, and keep flipping the pages. If you don't revise, if you don't practice, and you do this before the exam, it will be very difficult. Because each one is different type, so you'll be like, before the exam, it will be like, how do I remember? So when we are never free because school gives us homework, test, you're always busy. I won't say when you're free, revise. You have to find time to revise. So through each answer, we learn a different idea. Now this one is different. See here. Now look at the LHS and RHS. Okay. In the RHS, we have one. Okay. 1 minute. So see, do we have cos theta and cos theta here? We have 1 and 1 here. Like same we have. Minus and plus. Here also minus and plus. Same. Here we have sin theta, sin theta. Here we have root 3, root 3. So the LHS is so much like the RHS, no? In every aspect, like in the numerator, there are 2 terms with a minus sign. Here also 2 terms with a minus sign. Here 2 terms with a plus sign. Here also 2 terms with a plus sign. Correct? And this one and this one, they are same. Here also this and this are the same. Here this and this are same, same, same. So what we do, how do you get 1 here? Now we have cos theta minus sin theta by now we have 1 here, right? How will this cos theta become 1? How will you make cos theta 1? Now we have cos theta here, right? But here we have 1. How to get 1 here? How can cos theta become 1? No, not like that. If you divide the numerator and denominator by what? If you divide the numerator and denominator by what, will this become 1? Huh? Yeah. Okay. If you divide the numerator and the denominator by cos theta, if you divide the numerator by cos theta and the denominator by cos theta, nothing here. RH is nothing. Now here when you divide, what does it mean? It's cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta divided by cos theta by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. So what is cos theta by cos theta? 1. See, that's how we get 1. So how to get 1? You should divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta. So what does it become now? Tell me. 1. 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. Now see, look at, you can compare both the sides. 1, 1 minus tan theta, okay, minus tan theta root 3, 1, 1 plus tan theta root 3. On comparing both the sides, tan theta is equal to root 3. That is, in the LHS we have tan theta. In that place, in the RHS, we have root 3. See, we have 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. On the other side, we have 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. So on comparing both the sides, tan theta is equal to root 3. So tan theta is equal to, when is it root 3? Tan 60 degrees. So theta is equal to 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. So you must remember this like a story. What's the story? So here, the LHS and RHS, they're almost identical. Like in the place of 1, we have cos theta, and in the place of in the place of 1, we have cos theta, and in the place of root 3, we have sin theta, and the signs also match, minus in the numerator plus the denominator. So in order to compare both the sides, what we have to do is, we have 1 here, so we make this also 1. How will cos theta become 1? If you divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta. That's what we do. We divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta. You all understand how to divide? No, we have done this quite a few times. Dividing the numerator and denominator by the same ratio we have done. So this means cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so that gives us sin by cos is tan. So 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Now you can compare both the sides. To the RHS, we don't do anything. RHS as it is, we keep writing. Now you can compare like 1, 1 minus 1, 1 plus plus. Tan theta is root 3. You can see here tan theta is root 3. Don't cancel like that. I'm just showing you. So tan theta is root 3. Oh, tan theta is root 3. So root 3 means tan 60 degrees. So on comparing both sides, theta is 60 degrees. What is in your book, Hasif? You're not looking at the board, you're looking to your book. Thinking. This one, yes, Hasif, I'll help you. No, you were looking to your book when I was explaining this one. Loud. Oh, the table you were looking at for root 3. Okay. Okay. One day, no, I should look into your book. But if என்ன பண்ணீங்க எழுதி அழிச்சிருவீங்க நீங்க. பேசுறதுக்கு எழுதிட்டு அப்புறம் அழிச்சிருவீங்க. அழிக்காதீங்க. I want to convince you what you talk like that. Okay, now look at this one. Normally, when we are given information like this, correct. Correct. Now, we actually use a right triangle, no? When we have the value of one ratio. See, இதெல்லாம் theory மாதிரி தான். Cot A is 3/4. So we have the value of one trigonometric ratio. We have the value of one trigonometric ratio. So you can use this value in a right triangle and find the missing side using Pythagoras theorem. And then you can work this, right? Sin A plus cos A, the triangle which is sin A cos A values substitute panni calculate pannu. That's one way of doing. You can do it like that. You can also do it like this. Now, what do you have? Cot A we have, no? How will you change sin and cos to cot? See, both sin and cos cannot become cot. One of them can become cot. Because you can divide the numerator and denominator either by, okay, sin or cos. Both of them cannot become cot. But one of them can become cot. No, tell me, will you divide the numerator and denominator by sin A or cos A? Sin A. See, you can get tan A also. Because if cot A is 3/4, tan A is 4/3. Not that you must get cot only in the numerator and denominator. You can even get tan. Because if cot A is 3/4, then tan A is 4/3. Anything, but we'll try to get cot only, no? So sin A plus cos A, you should divide by what? Sin A divided by sin A minus cos A by sin A. So sin A by sin A. What is sin A by sin A? 1 plus what is cos A by sin A? Cot A by sin A by sin A 1 minus cos A by sin A cot A. That's all. See, we didn't use a triangle at all. We evaluated. 1 plus cot A is what? 3/4 by 1 minus 3/4. Don't cancel 3/4 and 3/4. You cannot cancel them. So 1 plus 3/4. You'll have to take the LCM and root. So 7/4 by 1 minus 3/4 LCM 1/4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So 7 is answer. So you can evaluate like this without using the right triangle. We know cot A is 3/4. So this expression which we have to find the value, we have sin and cos. So we'll divide by some ratio so that we can get cot and we can use that value straight away. You can also divide by what? Cos A. If you divide by cos A, you can also divide by cos A. You can divide by cos A. If you divide by cos A, what will you get? Tan A plus 1 by tan A minus 1. What is tan A? 4/3. 4/3. 4/3 plus 1 by 4/3 minus 1. 4/3 plus 1. So 7/3 by 4/3 minus 1 is 1/3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled, 7. Okay. So this, like this, you can evaluate without using the right triangle. Same thing here. Phi tan alpha is equal to 4. So tan alpha is equal to 4/5. Tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to 4/5. Now you should divide the numerator and denominator by cos. Cos alpha. Divide by cos alpha. divide by cos alpha, cos alpha. So what will happen? 5 sin alpha by cos alpha is tan alpha minus 3 by 5 sin by cos is tan alpha plus 2. Now tan alpha value we have. So 5 into 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 4 by 5 plus 2. So 5 and 5 cancels. So 4 minus 3, 1 by 4 plus 2, 6, 1 by 6. That's why such questions will mostly come as an MCQ question. But we'll think, oh, so much we have to do right triangle all for 1 mark. No, no, no. We should do it quickly like this. Should work it fast like this. When you have seen sine, cos, and tan, we have. So sine, cos, you can all. The situation, look at the situation. You can always divide by cos and introduce tan. And use the value of tan which is given. This is NCERT question. See what we do in the class here, no? What we do in the class here is an amalgamation of R.D. Sharma, Agarwal, other question banks, NCERT, everything put together. Maintain your tuition notebook neatly and study only from this book. I'll also be giving you assertion reason type questions, case study based questions from the chapters. So maintain your tuition notebook neatly and study only from this. The ideas you get by working these questions is more than sufficient to crack any new question you get in the exam. That you can take as a challenge. Don't study from different resources. School porom, tuition varom, after exam where book line padikadhu because your friend said something, your friend said on the internet la, on the website la, on the question paper nalla irukku, other solve panna. Never do that. Never do that. Learn what your teachers taught you in school. Maintain your school notebooks neatly, and practice. You have learned something from your teacher in school. No, practice the same thing. Somebody's taught you something. Revise that. Now here we understand whatever we learn here. I believe we all understand. So practice this one. This is enough. You must learn. You are spending time to attend tuitions and attend school, right? அப்புறம் இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் விட்டுட்டு நீங்களா வேற எதையும் வச்சுன்னு படிக்க கூடாது எக்ஸாம்க்கு. Waste of time. You will not remember anything. அதனால தான் ஸ்கூல்ல 6 மாடல் எக்ஸாம் வச்சாலும் 6 மாடல் எக்ஸாமுக்கும் படிச்சுட்டு இருப்போம். எவ்வளவு மாடல் எக்ஸாம் வச்சாலும் குழந்தைங்க ஆக்சுவலி என்ன 2 எக்ஸாம் படிக்கலாம். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஐம் ரெடி படிச்சாச்சு ஐம் ரெடி. நோ. We see children studying for every model exam. Every model exam because we have not mastered anything. Because with the approach to revising is not correct. Boundary வச்சுக்கணும். அதையே தான் திருப்பி திருப்பி படிக்கணும். Because we have now heard people saying like maths na variety of sums work பண்ணோம், different இதுல இருந்து work பண்ணோம், அப்பதான் தரோவா இருக்கலாம். It's not like that. நீங்க எல்லாத்தையும் ஒரு வாட்டி பாக்குறதுனால எதுவுமே ஞாபகம் இருக்காது. Supposing you choose 500 questions and you work everything once, all 500 you will forget. Everything 100th sum பண்றச்சே first sum மறந்தே போயிருக்கும். 200 sum வரைச்சே 150 sums மறந்துருக்கும். ஒரு சம் பண்றச்சே அந்தந்த சம் புரியும். So you feel புரியுது yeah easy. No, 500 sums முடிச்சு 5 நாள் அனுப்பு. 5 நாள் இது வேண்டாம், 2 நாள் அனுப்புற எல்லாமே மறந்துரும். But if you choose 100 questions and work it 5 times each, it's the same, no? 500 questions once, 100 questions 5 times each. It's the same. You'll remember all the 100 sums. You'll remember all the 100. And using the concepts and ideas you have gathered from these 100 sums, ஒரு புது question examல வந்தாலும் இந்த ஐடியா வச்சு அதை கிராக் பண்ணிடலாம். நீங்க 1000 sum work பண்ணிருப்பீங்க ஒரே ஒரு வாட்டி, ஒண்ணுமே ஞாபகம் இருக்காது. Believe me, I'm saying from experience, nothing you can remember. But ஒரு சம்மா work பண்ணச்சு எல்லாம் ஈஸியா இருக்கும். இப்ப இந்த சம் நம்ம தனியா பண்றோமா, இது ஈஸி all easy. You don't revise at all. You can recall, but you can't do fast. I'm saying that speed you will not have. ஏதோ அப்படி பண்ணும் ஆமா ஏதோ பண்ணாங்கன்னு இருக்கும் ஒரு half an hour டைம் கொடுத்தா பண்ணிடுவீங்க நீங்க அந்த சம்ம அது இல்ல டக்குன்னு பண்ணுவோம்ல எக்ஸாம்ல வந்து ஒரு சம்முக்கு 3 minutes 4 minutes யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அந்த 4 minutes குள்ள நீங்க பண்ணணும்னா நீங்க அவ்வளவு வாட்டி பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணாதான் டக்குன்னு இந்த கொஸ்டின் பார்த்தோன்னே இப்படி பண்ணணும்னு பண்ணிடுவீங்க அந்த ஸ்பீட் வரணும்னா யூ ஷுட் practice the same thing many times. This is very important. Maintain your school classwork notebook neatly. Practice that. Tuition notebook, practice this. And here you will get other questions also, assertion, reasoning, case study, everything from the examination point of view, I'll give you. இதை மட்டுமே திருப்பி படிச்சாலே இந்த லிமிடெட் you will think இவ்வளவுதானா இதை நீங்க ஞாபகம் வச்சுனாலே போறோம் எந்த புது சம் வேணாலும் பண்ணிடலாம். You should trust me. If you trust me, you will do it. If you do it, you will see the result. And I told you, till like June, July, kind of it will be difficult because different portions in school, different portions here. But nothing can be done. If there's a solution for that, you tell me, I'll do that. There's no solution. I've been teaching for so many years, there is no solution. Now see, for her, when did you start your 10th standard? January? Huh? Jan 3rd. See, Jan 3rd, okay. And she's finished surface areas and volumes, probability. Real. Volumes and surface areas, again பண்ணிருக்காங்க பின்னாடி என்ன ஃபுல்லா. So you have not learned polynomials. See. இப்ப எதுக்கு யாருக்குன்னு பண்றது அவங்களுக்கு அப்படி. So anywhere you go, this is the story. Wherever you go, they'll do this only because children will be from different schools. Whom to attend? Even I want to do what your teacher is doing in school. Even I want to do that. But it's not possible. Every school is doing some other chapter. Not possible to have maintain that uniformity. So there is that struggle. We'll have classes in May also, no? So there will be that little struggle managing school and tuition till June, July. Then I bet it will be comfortable. You would have like learned half of it in school, the rest of it here. So like by June, July, you would have learned the full portions kind of. And then you'll really feel comfortable. Then either you will be revising in school because we have done here, or you'll be revising here because you have done in school. You should wait. Patient you will become comfortable. Yeah. So this one, I think we discussed this. Yeah. This is from NCRT. So what is this? Yeah. Right triangle ABC. Right triangle ABC. Right angle at B. Right triangle ABC. Right angle at B. AB is 21. BC plus AC. BC plus AC is 49. BC plus AC is equal to 49. So what is BC? 49 minus AC. Or what is AC? 49 minus BC. Right? However you want. So நீங்க வந்து BC BC வெச்சுண்டாக்க அப்ப AC என்னன்னு எழுதணும் 49 minus BC. You can use either this or this. Use this or this. I'm using this one. What is AC? 49 minus BC. AC is 49 minus BC. I'll tell you what I'm doing. In the right triangle, one side we know 21. The remaining two sides we don't know. But the remaining two sides now we know in terms of BC. One side is BC. The other one is 49 minus BC. So now apply Pythagoras theorem. 21 square plus BC square is equal to 49 minus BC the whole square. So this is one equation. There is only one unknown BC. So you can work and find BC. And once you find BC, 49 minus BC, you will find BC. You will put it here. And 49 minus BC will give you AC. Then you find sin A and secant C. Then you can find sin A and secant C. So if you keep BC as BC, AC is equal to Yeah. We are given that BC plus AC is equal to 49. All yawning glories today. Okay. BC plus AC is 49 is given. Okay. Now AC is equal to what? 49 minus BC. So what is AC? 49 minus BC. What is BC? BC is BC. AC is 49 minus BC. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. 21 square plus BC square is equal to this one, correct? Now 441 plus BC square is equal to, this is A minus B the whole square. A square, 49 square. (49) square, A square minus 2AB, minus 2 into A into B, 2 into 49, 98, BC, plus B square. A square is 49 square, plus B square, BC. B square is not, it's not this, children. அதுவே B தனி C தனி கிடையாது. BCன்றது ஒரு சைடு ஆகும். So BC square அவ்வளவுதான். XY இருந்தா X square Y square. இது வந்து BCன்றது ஒரு சைடு தான் இது. So BC square. A minus B the whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. We have expanded. Then BC square on either side gets cancelled. அப்புறம் in the minus 98 BC, when you transpose, see, we are solving actually for BC. BC is 20. BC is 20. Oh, she's laughing. She's using the calculator. She doesn't know. Okay. BC is 20. Correct? That's all. Now, what's the other way of doing it? A, B, C. AB is 21. What are we given? BC plus AC is equal to 49. So you can write BC. BC is equal to 49 minus AC. BC is equal to 49 minus AC. இங்க வந்து AC is equal to எழுதினோம்ல. You can also write BC is equal to 49 minus AC. What is BC? 49 minus AC. What is BC? 49 minus AC. What is AC? AC. AC is AC. BC is 49 minus AC. Now Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus BC is 49 minus AC. The whole square is equal to AC square. Correct? So AB square. Oh, sorry, 21 it is. No? Okay, now 20. (21) square plus, expand this one. So 2401 minus 98 AC plus AC square is equal to AC square. AB square is what? 21 square. A minus B the whole square is A square minus 2AB. 2 into 49 into AC plus B square plus AC square is equal to AC square. Now AC square on both the sides gets cancelled. So this one is 441 plus 2401 is equal to 98 AC. So 2401 plus 441 divided by 98. 29. On working this, you get AC is equal to 29. AC is 29. So once you find AC, what is BC? 49 minus 29. 49 minus 29. BC. It's 20. That's what we got here. So once you know the three sides, so we find the three sides. This is 21, this is 20, this is 29. Now we have to find sine A. This is A. Sine A is what? Opposite by hypotenuse, 20 by 29. And then secant C. This one, secant C is hypotenuse by adjacent, 29 by 20. Similar question, I'm going to give a test at the end of the class. I think I have another one. I have. Now, next sum is a test. Do this. One side is given, and then the difference of the other two sides, AC minus AB is 1. Good. I'm coming around now. Aniruddhan, Aragamai, and Swati. Okay, Swati, you excuse yourself. You're not well. Take care. Aniruddhan and Aragamai.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you're ready for this one, no? You're confident you can do this one, Aniruddhan?
Ma'am, I will try my best, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. All the best. Anirudh, நல்லா பாட்டு பாடுற.
ஆஃப் பண்ணுங்க.
Aniruddhan. He's enjoying. Finished? 1 plus a to the whole square will be a square b square is equal to 2ab. 1 plus a to the whole square. This a square comes here plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into ab plus b square, b square. This is right. Right? English. Why? How does it not? We usually use to chatting someone on the Oh, yes, it's the tiny and in the triangle, without a steer, we have a b square will be c square, a b square plus b c square. It's equal to b c square. A b square and this one. C square and square. That's the base square. We need this one. We need this one. We have that. Also, we provide the equation here. Find the but simply not important. Simply not S square, when you get the something. That's it. H square minus 1 million. First, we have a scale of ABC is equal to ABC square. First, without a stable, we take a question. Okay, you write this. See, right? They want AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Already, I have to No, you have written AC square is equal to BC square plus AC square. The antimatter AC square is obviously show is nice. The diet அப்படி எங்கேயா ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கு diet அந்த பக்கத்துல எங்கேயா இருக்கு ரெண்டு எயிட்ல வந்து நீங்க மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி கரெக்ட் பண்ணுங்க எப்படி போயிட்டு செஞ்சா இந்த மழைக்கு சைடுல கரெக்ட் why is this worrying me? Well, not the time you are here. At the same time, you go. Pick the values of the size of the sugar in front of you. Otherwise, it was what is 18 plus 1? 30. What is C? C. This is C. What is type C? Opposite by angle. 12 by 30. Minus 12. Very fine. In fact, the 18 is that. Very, very good. Oh, there are very good. You want to be considered. Let me spell the answer. Let me spell the right, baby square plus BC square is equal to AC square. What is AB? AB square plus BC square centimeter is equal to AC with AC equal what is AC? 1 plus AB, 1 plus AB was also correct. AB square plus 25 is equal to 1 plus 2 AB plus AB square. The AB square and AB square will cancel. Now solve the find AB. After finding AB, find the 3 sides of the triangle, find the 2 sides of the triangle, find 7 cos A, substitute the value. 25 actually, there is a 25 we consider A plus B was very case for B is going to okay, sorry. Okay, right. So you will do that actually. It's a substitution by the centimeter for one. Substitution by the centimeter. One was the thing. AC square plus AC square is equal to AB square. Hypotenuse. AC square is equal to AG square is equal to hypotenuse square plus BC square is equal to AG square. Square on the hypotenuse square again. Plus the right hand one for everything. Pillar, not concentrate. I will do this. We just put it in now. So what is the BC? We will not find. AC is the 1 plus A. AC is 1 plus A. Correct? What is the term of the square on the hypotenuse the tinier AC square is equal to this is 1 by given the other line. The tinier square from AB square plus BC square. Understand? AC square tinier x square plus x square. Hypotenuse square is equal to x square plus x square. Being on the hypotenuse square plus x square is equal to x square. Actually, see, I'm not supposed to laugh because number of times straight. Yeah, Aniruddhan, what's the answer? Aniruddhan. What's the answer, Aniruddh? Okay. So let's see. Most of you have got 25 by 18. No? 25 by 18. Yeah, 25 by 18. Yeah, good, Swati. So after finding AB here like 12, you should find the 3 sides of the triangle. You must find the 3 sides of the triangle and find sin C and cos C from the triangle, the numericals. Substitute and calculate. You have to complete it at the end of the class. You understood your mistake? Tell me Pythagoras theorem for this triangle. Tell me correctly, huh? cloud. Which is the hypotenuse? PR. No. Where's the right angle? Which is the side opposite to the right angle? That's the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. The other two sides are called the legs. Now not the Pythagoras theorem goes like this. Hypotenuse square is equal to leg square plus leg square. Hypotenuse square is equal to leg square plus leg square. Which is hypotenuse here? Opposite to the right angle, QR. So QR square is equal to the remaining two sides now. PQ square plus PR square. Hypotenuse square தனியா எழுதணும். Leg square add பண்ணோம் is equal to hypotenuse square தனியா எழுதணும். Hypotenuse ஓட வேற எதையும் எழுதக்கூடாது. Yeah. Yeah. So this one, evaluate. This you can do it because you just have to substitute the values from the table. Now you finished the earlier one, then you can do this. Do that one. Evaluate. Just write the values from the table and simplify. Yeah, come here, no? Let's see what you've done. சென்டிமீட்டர் எழுத வேண்டாம், மூணுத்தையும் போடாதீங்க. 1 plus is equal to AB square plus B square. Correct. இனிமே போடாதீங்க. 2AB plus A square 2AB plus இது என்னது? எங்க B square இல்லையே, AB square னா வரும். A is 1, no? B is AB. What is A square? 1 square. 2AB. 2 into 1 into AB. 2AB. Plus B square is AB square. Where have you written that? Yeah. Clarity வேணும். ஆன்சர் வந்திருக்கு கரெக்ட், பட் இங்க AB ஸ்கொயரே இல்லையா, அப்புறம் எப்படி வந்துச்சு? 1 plus AB the whole square is equal to AB square plus 5 square. A square plus 2AB plus B square is equal to, correct? That cancelled on both sides. Now 2AB is equal to 25 minus 1, 24. So AB is equal to 24 by 2. AB is equal to 12. AB 12 on right triangle. BC. Okay. This is 5 already. If AB 12 in AC 1 plus AB. 1 plus 12, 13. Now you should find sin C and substitute and evaluate. Yeah. Tell me the first line substitution. Yeah, what is cot 30? You referred or you have memorized? You're still to memorize the table? Memorize panli, I know. Okay. Has anybody solved completely? Going to solve. What's the answer? 55 by 1/8. Correct. Why you're staring at me like that? You went wrong, huh? Blessy, Niveda, Prenu, and Vritsa. Where are you? Like, what's your answer at this point? Come here. So one student has got the right answer. Bhavishya has got it. 55 by 18. To the power 4 illa. Power 4 இது. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. நீங்க 4 போட்டிருக்கீங்க. We calculated root 3 and we calculate this. That root 3 into 2. I didn't change the solution. Root 3, the whole power 4 is. Why have you put 3 square and all that? Time. Okay, fine. இதோட வேல்யூ கரெக்ட்மா. இது வந்து 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 16, right? 16. இது வந்து கரெக்ட். இது 9 கரெக்ட். 16 ஆகும். Okay. Okay, Swati 2 has got 55 by 18. Very good. It's just number work. After you get the values from the table, it's just number work. $55 by 18. Very good. Hmm? By 72. 536 by 72. Huh? Okay, simplify 536. Okay, you tell me where you have gone wrong, children. Okay. So this is cot 30 to the power 4, correct? If you want, you can write the step. See this step, if you want, you can write in the step. Cot 30 and see what is this? Cot 30 to the power 4, correct? What is this? Cosecant 60 to the power 4. Yes or no? And then this one is secant 45 the whole square. This is tan 30 the whole square. And this is cos 60 the whole square, correct? If a values for no table in the cot 30, it's root 3 to the power 4. You tell me what is difficult in this. Cosecant 60. From the table, you will get the value. You should put it and raise it to the power 4.
Ma'am?
Then, yes, Aniruddhan?
Ma'am, I think so. It is not 65, ma'am. It is 75, ma'am.
Enga, Aniruddh?
That
81
81.
minus 16, 81 minus 16, Which one is 75 you're saying? Okay.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am.
It's okay.
I thought it.
Yeah. Nane calculator தான் use பண்ணுவேன். Don't say sorry. Okay. So yeah. So just put the values like this from the table. Power 4. Here this one is root 2, power 2. Okay. So that's a substitution. No, you tell me now. After this, you should be very careful in evaluating. Root 3 to the power 4. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 9. 2 to the power 4 is 16. Correct? And root 3 to the power 4 is 9. So in this bracket, you should get 9 minus 16 by 9. How many of you got it? This bracket, did you all get 9 minus 16 by 9? You have not started. Leah? Yeah. You also didn't get? No, you should tell me the reason why. You can't remain silent like this. Why? Value substitute பண்ணலையா கரெக்டா? இல்ல values correct substitute பண்ணி root 3 to the power 4 9ன்றத தப்பா எழுதிருக்கீங்களா? சின்ன ஆன்சர் உங்கள்ட்ட வர்றதுக்கு நான் எவ்வளவு பெரிய கொஸ்டின் கேட்கணுமா இருக்கு. அப்படியும் ஆன்சர் வரல. Yeah, girls, that 9 minus 16 by 9 யாருக்கு வந்திருக்கு? வந்திருக்கா? 9 minus 16 by 9. Got it. She also went wrong. You all got it. Here. You got it. You got it. Okay. Yeah. The three of you, why? Roshni and girls there. Why? What's நீங்க substitute பண்றது டேபிள் ரெஃபர் பண்ணி தானே substitute பண்ணீங்க. அப்புறம் என்ன உங்களுக்கு இந்த √3 to the power 4 9ன்றது ஏன் வரல? I want to understand why you went wrong so that I can help you. Okay. Then here, did you substitute these values correctly, all of you? அதாவது டேபிள்ல இருந்து அப்படியே எடுத்து போட்டதை கரெக்டா போட்டோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்மளா அதை சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ண தப்பாயிடுச்சு. அதுவும் டேபிள்ல இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும். பவர் 4 இந்த ஆன்சர், பவர் 3 இந்த ஆன்சர். Okay. How many of you got this one right? Substitution correct. இந்த substitution correct ஆன்னு கேக்குறேன். Okay, this step, how many of you have it right? Fully correct, all of you. 1/4 into 9 minus 16 by 9 plus 3/2 into 2 minus 1/3 minus 5 into 1/4. 5/4, okay.
But I did that step. I have added one extra step, ma'am, before that.
Yeah, சொல்லுங்க.
நான் அதுக்கு வந்து 3√3 ஸ்கொயர் நான் அப்புறமா போட்டுட்டு அப்புறமா 9 எடுத்துனேன்.
பரவாயில்ல. Okay. But next step you got this, 9 minus 16 by 9 இருக்குல்ல?
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Yeah, again, how many of you got this step correctly? Got it? No? Oh. No, again, I want you to raise your hands. Why? The square arm. What did you write? 4? Oh, this one you wrote 1/2 the whole square. This one. Oh. See, I do. These values we have substituted from the table. And then √3 to the power 4 is 9 because √3 into √3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 to the power 4 is 16 and this one is 9. √2 the whole square, √2 into √2 is 2. 1/√3 into 1/√3 is 1/3. And 5 into 1/2 into 1/2, 1/4, 5 into 1/4. So after this LCM, it's just LCM. I don't see anything after that. This is LCM, 55/18. Oh, this is a very simple question. No, how can you go wrong in this? Okay, take another one. The others you have to finish it. See, depending, leave some space for this one if you have not completed it right. Yeah. See. Maybe 4th standard வரணும். Okay. See, you get one more chance. Do this correctly and feel good about yourself. Yeah. Do this one correctly. Got it? Very good. Avishya, again, what's the answer? 113 by 24. Very good. Very good. Same answer? 113 by 24. Very good. Akshada and Bhavishya. Bhavishya and Akshada. Very good. Yes, all of us must get it right. Got it? 113 by 24. Very good. Yeah, do the last one, the 12th one. Those are finished. Take the 12th question. The 12th question. Oh, okay. Sure. Yeah. Can you read your substitution, Niveda? Hmm. Hmm. Very good. Next, look into your book and read the next line. 2 by very good. Next line. Oh, here I've gone wrong. I've written 3 minus 8 by 3, no? It's 4, right? Next. Okay. So what's your final answer? 150. Minus into minus is plus. Check. Yeah. So how many of you have got the first line correct? This one, meaning the substitution line. Very good. Better response this time. Okay, very good. Then this one, calculating this. So what's your final answer? No, couldn't finish. The board is clear. Oh, 1, 2, 3 by 24. Huh? Want to be ahead. Okay, so how many of you got the correct answer, the final answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, very good. 5, 6, very good. Okay, you got it? Very good. But just now, yeah. Yeah, others finish it. What about online students? Aniruddhan?
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
You got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share your image on WhatsApp? This answer?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. This one, I'll just explain how it goes. The 12th one. second. 12, no, that was.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Huh? I sent it, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll just see. Oh, this is the next image. All right. Yeah. Yes, Swati, you are right. Yeah, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. You just have to rationalize the denominator. You're right. Yeah. So children, we are given a formula kind of here, you know. See, we are given cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is a formula. Like, you know, like something like A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square is a formula. So like that, this is a formula. It's a trigonometric formula. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is a formula. So given this formula, using this formula, you should find the value of cos 75 degrees. See, cos 75, it's not a standard angle, so you don't have the value in the table. So how will you find cos 75? Using this formula. You understand the question? What is given here is a formula. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is the formula. Using this formula, you should find cos 75. Now, this is cos 75, okay? That means A plus B is 75. So tell me two standard angles whose sum will be 75. 30 and 45, correct. 30 and 45 or 45 and 30. A can be 45, A 45, B 30 or A 45, B 30 or A 30 and B 45. Anything. Both will give you the same result. So cos, you need to find cos 75. Concentrate, you need to find cos 75. We have the formula cos of A plus B. So A plus B should be 75. So you should say let A be anything. I've used what 30 here. You can take A as 45 also. I've taken 30 here, A 30. Let's do with A 45. Okay. Let A be 45 degrees and B be 30 degrees. Now substitute in the formula. Where you have A, use 45. Where you have B, use 30. Okay, so we're using the formula cos A 45 plus B 30 is equal to cos A 45 B 30 minus sin A is 45, B is sin 30. That's all. Okay, next 45 plus 30. See, after sin cos tan, there should be only one number and one angle. So add this 45 plus 30. So cos 75. So we are going to now find cos 75. The cos 75 value on the RHS. The value of cos 75, we are going to get it now in the RHS. What is cos 45? 1 by root 2 into cos 30, root 3 by 2 minus sin 45, 1 by root 2 into sin 30, 1 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So common denominator, 2 root 2 is the common denominator. So root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Now rationalize the denominator into root 2 by root 2. Correct? So it will be root 6 minus root 2 by 4. So the value of cos 75 degrees is equal to root 6 minus root 2 by 4. All right, finish it. This will wind up today's session. Finish this one. Yeah, good, Swati. Correct. And children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Done? Okay, if you have not finished, you can stay back, complete it. So that's it for today's session, children. Thank you. Good night. Online children, if you have completed, you may leave the call. Thank you. Good night. This trigonometry, no, I'm not sharing the images because I want you all to work it here in the class. I'll send it on WhatsApp, but how many of you will complete it? I don't know.